In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a birthday campaign in GoHighLevel. Let's get started by diving into the settings to create custom fields specifically tailored for our campaign. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Settings tab, and once you're there, locate the Custom Fields section. This is where you have the flexibility to add unique data points to your contact profiles, providing more personalized interaction opportunities. You'll see a button that says Plus Add Field. Click on it, and you'll be presented with different field types. For our campaign, select the Date Picker. This choice is pivotal because it allows you to easily track and automate actions based on specific dates. Once you've selected the Date Picker, go ahead and name this field Birthday. And of course, don't forget to save your new field. This step is fundamental as it lays the foundation for personalized birthday interactions with your contacts. Now that we've set up a space for birthdays, let's move on to adding those crucial dates to your contact list. Head over to the Contacts section. Here you have several options for adding birthdays. You can import them via a CSV file, which is an ideal choice if you have a bulk list ready to go. Make sure your CSV includes the columns for first name, email, and birthday for seamless integration. Alternatively, you can add birthdays manually or even capture them through forms you set up in GoHighLevel. With the birthday set, it's time to create the workflow that will automate your birthday greetings. Navigate to the Automation tab and find Workflows. Here you can click on Create Workflow to start building the logic of this birthday campaign. The next crucial step is to add a trigger to your workflow. Choose the date-based trigger, which allows you to act on the specific date, which in this case is the birthday field we just created. Configure this trigger by setting it to repeat annually, ensuring your contact receives a message on their special day each year. Set the workflow to run at a specific time, like 9 o'clock a.m., to ensure the greetings are sent early in the day. We're now ready to add some cheer. Time to send a birthday email or SMS to your contacts. Click on Plus Add Action in the workflow settings. Choose whether you want to send email or send SMS, or even both, depending on your strategy. Include a warm message wishing them a happy birthday and perhaps a special offer, like a discount code, to make their day extra special. You can enhance your campaign by adding optional delays and actions. For instance, you might want a birthday SMS sent immediately, followed by a birthday email an hour later. Perhaps a reminder offer one day after, and a last chance coupon 3 days later to entice them to take action. Finally, ensure your workflow is sprinkled with irresistible birthday offers. These can be discount codes, free consultations, or even a limited time deal to motivate engagement. A clear call to action like claim your birthday gift can drive effective interaction. Once your workflow is robust with these elements, click Publish and turn the workflow on. Congratulations, your birthday automation is now live, ready to celebrate with your contacts in the most delightful way.